Hi. Uh, in this week in the CCNA series, uh, we're going to see the we're going to see about the Ethernet. Okay. So what is Ethernet? Ethernet is a communication standard. Okay. So Ethernet is communication standard. Okay. And that was developed in early 80s. Okay. That was developed in early 80s to the network computers and other devices in a local environment. Okay. So for such as a home or a building, and this local environment is called as a local area network. So that means this Ethernet standard communication was built in the early 80s for the home and the building in the local area network. Okay. So I hope you all know what is a local area network. Okay, for local area network. So it connects multiple devices so that they can create store and share the information with others with other locations. Okay. So for local area network. Okay. So Ethernet is a wired system. Ethernet is a wired system that stored with using excuse me. So that started with using a coaxial cable. So that started using a coaxial cable, but now we are using a twisted pair copper wiring and fiber optic wiring, so which we call as a FOC cable. Okay. So who invented this? Who invented the twisted pair wiring? Who invented? So who invented twisted pair wiring? Okay. So Alexander Graham Bell. So Alexander Graham Bell invented this twisted pair wiring in Alexander invented this twisted pair wiring in 1881. Okay, so he only invented the twisted pair wiring. Okay. So Ethernet was standardized into the standard IEEE by the institute was. So it was standardized by the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. So it was standardized by Electrical and Electronic So by electrical and electronic engineers. Okay, so this standard defines the physical layer and the MAC control portion of the data link layer. Okay, so this standard is defined as a this standard is defined as a physical layer. In the data link layer, it is defined as a MAC MAC address. Okay, so these two layers are defined as the first two layers in the OSI, Open System Interconnection Model. Okay, so for first it is Ethernet is connected to the physical layer and it is connected to the data link layer. So in physical layer it is connected as a cable and in the data link layer it is connected as a MAC address. Okay, so this two layer is defined in the OSI. OSI means what? Open System Interconnection. Okay, so the physical layer is consist of following components. Okay, so in physical layer, so in physical layer the Ethernet is consist of following components like cabling and devices. Okay, so in Ethernet cabling means Ethernet. Okay, Ethernet cabling means coaxial, which I said before. So cabling means coaxial. So coaxial and twisted and fiber optic cable. Okay, the most common cable we are using is twisted pair cable. Okay, twisted pair cables are with a 6 category space. So the twisted pair cables are with the twisted pair cables with 6 categories. Okay, so with 6 categories and category 6A and 7 with a speed up to 10 Gbps. Okay, so and category 5 and 5C. So 5 and 5C are both are still used for many existing applications. Okay, but it handled the lower speed between the 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps. Okay, but that we are suspectable with it will be suspected with more noises. Okay, so the Ethernet twisted pair cable utilize the RJ45 jack, RJ45 with the 8 pin. Okay, 8 pin connections. Okay, so that is pinned for transmitting and receiving the data in either half duplex mode or full duplex mode. So half duplex mode with so that are transmitted with the data with a half duplex mode and full duplex mode. Okay, so I am ending my session with the half duplex mode and full duplex mode. Okay, so in the upcoming week I will explain from the half duplex mode, full duplex mode. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. for 10 minutes with a patience. Okay, if there any doubt, please leave a comment or please comment in the comment section. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.